Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. My voice is gone, आवाज़ बैठ गई है. Obviously अगर इतनी पार्टी करेंगे गोवा में और इतना मज़ा करेंगे, आवाज़ तो बैठ ही जाएगी. आज है नेक्स्ट डे राइडोमिनिया के बाद. सो आई एम सो सॉरी. आज के दिन जो व्लॉग में मेरी आवाज़ आएगी वो ऐसी ही आएगी. एंड सीरियसली इट्स लाइक very bad state, but right now I'm going down to have coffee and also edit my video. And जैसे ही मैं नीचे आया कॉफ़ी पीने, where I am about to edit my videos, I met these guys going to Kolhapur. What's up? So I met Tushar and Rakesh, and all riders are going now, as you can see. So riders are storming off. You guys are also leaving?
Yes.
Finally enjoyed Ridermania?
Yeah.
Crazy. Next year again, bigger bash, right? So Ridermania खत्म हो गया. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं vlog नहीं करूँगा. Yes, I'm vlogging because as far as I'm in Goa, I will vlog, and I hope you guys are liking my content. अब तक तुम लोग को अच्छा लग रहा है content. कॉफ़ी पी के काफ़ी फ्रेश हो गया हूँ. एंड मैं वापस जा रहा हूँ मैंगो ट्री बिकॉज आई एम मीटिंग सिद्धार्थ. एंड वी गोना चिल फॉर अ वाइल बिकॉज आज एक मेरा शूट है विथ हिम. दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड नाउ लेट्स राइड. सो यहाँ पे कल सारी बाइक्स थी, पूरा खाली हो चुका है, सब जा चुके हैं. गोपाल दास, शुक्रिया. गोपाल दास ने हमारे लिए स्पेशल गेट खोल दिया. एंड जैसे ही हमने गेट खोला, द एंटायर गैंग ऑफ बुल टस्कर्स इज़ हियर. And they are kind of celebrating right here, and they don't know I'm vlogging right now.
Illadi fans.
Yo! Surprise! So this is how these guys pack. This is real life. This is motorcycle lifestyle.
Thanks a lot, man.
So I have got, this is all bull tuskers, their whole setup. What's up? All ready to go? So this is moto life. This is how real bikers live. Awesome. Okay, so there you go. 47, and that's his trophy. Congratulations, brother. Hope to see you next year again, man. Like always. Like always.
2020 rider.
Yeah, that's good. So I'm at Bombay Coffee Roasters. What's up, Sid? Perfect, fresh orange juice first. Had the banana cake, brilliant. Sandwich I'm still about to eat, but मिलने वाली की नहीं पता नहीं क्योंकि हम तीन भूखे हैं यहाँ पे. And he's having, I think, having a breakfast. Oh. So he's having this. He doesn't need to eat anything. So today should be a coffee vlog, right?
Absolutely.
Makes more sense, right? Because आज सुबह से coffee and cafes. So I think there's going to be something good today evening. So stay tuned for that also. And now let me enjoy this. Okay, so I'm just heading back to my hotel room, and boom. I think second year we're meeting again. No, third time. Third time, 3 Ridermanias, right?
3 Ridermanias 2016, 17, 19.
17, 18.
No, I was not in 19.
18. Okay, so 16 we met, 2016, 17, 18 he was not there, 2019 again we meet. Okay, scene है, sunblock लगा लिया है. I am heading towards Anjuna Beach. I'm going alone because these guys have gone for some kind of spa. So I might be looking a bit funny with the sunblock, but let's go. So दो reason है why I'm going to Anjuna Beach. Okay, one of the reason is I was missing Anjuna Beach and a nice cafe. क्योंकि मैंने lunch नहीं किया है. The second reason I'm going there is very simple. I'm meeting Nemo there. So obviously at the beautiful Anjuna Beach. Right here, quite empty. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Obviously quite hot. Okay, so finally I'm at Shiva Valley, and amazing. Sometimes it's fun to be alone. Okay, and you should check out. It's not that hot. I thought it'd be very hot. It's 3:30 now. So yeah, I'll just show you. ड्रोन तो नहीं उड़ाया, बहुत बड़ी गलती की, बट नो वरीज. गोवा सीन तो पक्का है वापस. And look whom I found. Oi. Oh boy. क्या नाम है इसका? Tyson. Oh, look at that roar. Tyson, come here. Oh boy. Look at him. Look at Tyson. So after a nice salty swim, Shiva Valley.
Pramod.
So Pramod is here and Pramod is excellent person. इनसे बातचीत करिए, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. He'll tell you everything about party times and everything, है ना?
Everything.
So come to Shiva Valley, meet Pramod for sure. Thanks. So scene ऐसा है बॉस, आप लोग गेस करो ये सन ग्लासेस मैंने बीच पे कहाँ से खरीदे. और अंजुना बीच पे सन ग्लासेस सेलर है ही नहीं. So अब सोचो ये मैंने कहाँ से लिए. But they're cool, right? Anyways, swim was good. I have cut my feet. Welcome to Anjuna Beach. अगर आप शिवा वैली साइड जाओगे, बी केयरफुल बिकॉज ऐसे रॉक्स है वहाँ, बहुत शार्प है. एंड यस आई एम ब्लीडिंग अ बिट बट इट्स फन. Tantra is so cool. You have nice rooms like this. You can chill. You can be here. Just so cool. So well, this is the bike trip machine made specially to host the coffee, and seriously the coffee is insane. So shoot plans at Vagator. Okay, beach number 2 right here. But हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं and slippery, and thank God मेरे riding boots are more of a hiking come riding. Woodlands worked for me, but ये काफ़ी slippery है क्योंकि आज यहाँ पे low tide है थोड़ा. So Sid is going there and yeah, I'll be careful there. But these shoes are good यार, इसीलिए I thought I will capture this moment. फतेह कर लिया आपने mountain? ये ऐसा चाहिए, हल्ला बोल. Yeah, that's a good one.
All his videos start with "Did you know?" Na?
Did you know? Oh yeah, actually. So I think we'll have to look this way because the light is here. We should not be looking down. We are at a setup right now. We changed 3 setups for the shoot, but ये surprise है आप लोगों को, बाद में पता चलेगा. And I think I should end my vlog because this is it. I'll be going for dinner. So I hope you guys like this video. Hope you like this entire Ridermania mayhem which happened. And as usual, friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off. Ride with Raj.
चलो. Next.
Okay, sources of income as a moto vlogger.
Oh, very important question you asked. This is the main question which every vlogger, famous, non-famous, mediocre, whatever you call it, always gets. How much do you earn?